Hello, welcome back to our class. Today we are going to discuss the next chapter, which is rational numbers, which is your ninth chapter. Okay, so this chapter is also for your periodic test. Let us start that. So what are rational numbers? That is first we want to discuss. What are rational numbers? Can you tell? Yeah, a rational number is defined as a number that can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. So we can tell this about from through an example. So example, this is a natural number 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers are natural numbers. When you add 0 to these natural numbers, it will become whole numbers. So you know about natural numbers, whole numbers, the negative numbers. If we add negative to the natural numbers, it will become integers. That means integers include positive numbers, negative numbers and 0 also. Then other type of number is fraction. Fraction also you discussed in the first section. Means in the first term exam you studied about fractions. That means fraction means a number which have numerator and denominator. This natural number also we can write in the form of fraction, like just give a denominator as 1. So 2 by 1 is a natural number, 2 by 1 is a fraction also. So what is rational number? That is our question. Rational number means the both numerator and denominator can be expressed in the form of p by q. P by q. You can give any value to the p and q. That means we can give any integer value. Integer value means you can give 2 or minus 2, 0, any value. But there is one more condition, which q not equal to 0. Q would not be 0. That means you can write minus 3 by 5, 0 by 6, minus 100 by 251, any form. This is rational number, which means the number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. This is the definition of rational number. Okay, we are going to discuss about the standard form of a rational number. What is the standard form of a rational number? You can say a rational number is said to be in the standard form if its denominator is a positive integer and the numerator and denominator have no common factor. So let us take an question. Let us do a question. The standard form of minus 16 by 24. We need to write the standard form of minus 16 by 24. What do you mean by the standard form? If a rational number is said to be in the standard form, the denominator should be a positive integer. What is the condition here? Yeah, it is a positive integer. Now one more condition is the numerator and denominator should not have a common factor other than 1. Other than 1. 1 is a common factor to all number. So other than 1, they would not have a common factor to numerator and denominator. What is the condition here? 16 and 24 both have common factor as 2. So we need to simplify the 16 by 24 into the shortest form. So how can you write the answer? Minus 16 by 24. We can cancel these two with 2. So minus 16 by 24 means minus, when you cut the 16 with the 2, you will get minus 8 by here 12. Again we can cancel. With the 4 you can cancel. So minus 2 by 3. This is the standard form of minus 16 by 24. Here let us, when you check this, you can understand minus 2 by 3. 2 and 3 have no common factor other than 1. And also the denominator is a positive integer. Okay. Now we can check one more number. Second question. The standard form of 100 by minus 200. Is it in a standard form? No, we need to convert this into a standard form. What are the two conditions for standard? To make a standard, this here 100 and 200, it should not have a common factor, but here it have a common factor as 2 or 100. It have many common factors other than 1. Then the denominator should be a positive, but here it is a negative number, so we need to convert that. How can we convert? Just give this minus to the upper side. just give this minus to the upper side. That means minus 100 by 200. So we can cancel these two with 100. So minus 1 by 2. This is the standard form of 100 by minus 200. I think it is clear for you. So we can do one question. Reduce minus 45 by 30 to its standard form. This is the question. The question is minus 45 by 30. You need to convert this rational number into its standard form. Let us check which type of rational number is this, positive or negative. Yes, it is a negative rational number. So we can do the answer minus 45 by 30. What are the conditions to make a number into its standard form? The denominator should be a positive number. Yeah, it is a positive number here. So let us check the next criteria. That means these two numbers should not have any common factor other than 1. So what is the condition here? No, it have a common factor other than 1. So we can 5. So we can reduce this into the shortest form. That means minus, we can cancel this 45 with 5. That means minus 9 by 30 means 6. We can cancel this 30 with 5. That means 6. Again have common factors to 9 and 6. That means minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 is the standard form of minus 45 by 30. Next section is the comparison of rational numbers. That means we need to check whether two rational numbers which is greater, which is smaller, or which is it equal. These three things you need to do in the comparison. That means let us explain this with a question. So the question is which is greater. We can take the number as minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. How can you refer? Minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. Can you compare these two? Yes, minus 3. Both the denominators are same. So it is easy to check. Minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. Which is greater? Yes, of course, 5 is greater than minus 3 by 2. So we can write minus 3 by 2 is less than 5 by 2. That means 5 by 2 is greater than minus 3 by 2. So we can do one more problem. 4 by 9, minus 4 by 9 and minus 7 by 11. Which is greater, minus 4 by 9 or minus 7 by 11? Let us check. Let us take the same denominator, minus 4 by 9 and minus 7 by 9. We can take these two questions, minus 4 by 9 and minus 7 by 9. So the denominators are same here. So we need to check minus 4 or minus 7. Which is greater? Can you say the answer? Yes, of course. Minus 4 is greater than minus 7. Minus 7 is lesser. It is a small quantity when you compare with minus 4. Minus 7 is too small. So we can say minus 4 by 9 is greater than minus 7 by 9. Okay. So this is the case of rational numbers having same denominator. So what will happen when the denominators are different? That is we are going to check now. Let us take positive numbers 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. How can you compare these two numbers? Yeah, first we need to, in the previous question it is easy for you because the denominators are same. But here the denominators are different. So we need to make it equal. How can you make it equal? This we are going to discuss. If you need to make equal the denominators, first you need to find the LCM. First you need to find the LCM. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? Yeah, it is 6. Have no common factor, so we can take, just multiply these two numbers, so you get the LCM as 6. So 3 by 2. You need to convert this 2 into 6. Means you need to convert the denominator of first rational number into 6. So when you multiply with 3, you will get the denominator as 6. If you multiply a number in the denominator, you need to multiply it into the numerator also. Then only the value will not change. Otherwise, it will change. So you need to multiply with the numerator also. So it becomes 9 by 6. Now with 5 by 3 also you need to convert. We need to convert this 5 by 3. 3 into 6. So you need to multiply with 2. So again here also you need to multiply. So it becomes 10 by 6. So which is greater, 9 by 6 or 10 by 6? Of course 10 by 6 is greater, which equal to 3 by 2 is lesser than 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 is greater. I think it is clear for you. Next question is minus 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. Minus 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. So here also the denominators are different. So we need to take the LCM. The LCM is 21 here. So minus 5 by 7, we can convert the 7 into 21 by multiplying with the 3. Numerator also you need to multiply with 3. So minus 15 by 21. Here 2 by 3. 3 you can convert, you need to convert into 21. So you need to multiply with 7. And the numerator also you need to multiply with 7. So it become 14 by 21. So 21. So which is greater? Minus 15 by 21 or 14 by 21? Which is greater? Can you say? Yes, 14 by 21, which means our question is minus this minus 15 by 21 representing minus 5 by 7 and 14 by 21 representing 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is greater than minus 5 by 7. So in exercise 9.1, there is a question number 8. There are, I think, 7 sub questions are there. 7 sub questions are there just to give the simples that you can do in your textbook itself. Okay, you need to do that.